Model, 2014 Ford Transit Custom 2.2 TD125 PS 290 front-wheel drive, L1 starts runs engine knocking. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 2,10406. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a rattle. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Oil light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740